कहते हैं हर किसी से दिल की बात कही नहीं जाती, अपनों को भी बताई नहीं जाती, लेकिन दोस्तों आईना होते हैं और आईने से कोई बात छुपाई नहीं जाती। और इसी तरह आपकी और हमारी दोस्ती को बरकरार रखने के लिए वी आर बैक विद येट अनदर पावर पैक्ड एपिसोड ऑफ जी कनेक्ट सीजन 2 आर यू कनेक्टेड, जहां हम आपको हर हफ्ते देते हैं अ रनडाउन ऑन द लेटेस्ट इवेंट्स, हैपनिंग्स, trends and so much more. So let's kickstart this episode with the front page.
An ad hoc committee of the Federal National Council has demanded petrol prices to be brought in line with other Gulf countries. This will help the fuel cost go cheaper by 60%. According to the committee, petrol prices should be brought down to match prices in other GCC member states, either by a direct cash subsidy for the Emirates or a general subsidy. As per the sources, the higher prices are leaving a negative impact on the prices of other products and services and economic development as a whole. Sharjah's new buildings, which are nearing completion, will not be approved by municipal inspectors as completed unless contractors can prove that their exterior aluminium cladding will not catch fire and will be able to withstand intense heat for several hours. Sharjah municipality is adopting a hardline approach to the widespread application of non-fire rated cladding in the wake of two major tower fires in the recent months. Dubai Sports Council has confirmed that its 7th Dubai International Sports Conference will be held on December 27th and 28th this year. The annual event will be held under the patronage of Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Crown Prince of Dubai and Chairman of DSC, who has consistently brought in top-class footballers and officials to pass on their experience to the professional setup in the UAE and the region. One of the highlights of this year's conference will be the visit of the UEFA president and former French footballer Michael Platini.
जिंदगी की इस भागदौड़ में आगे रहने की चाह में हमारा अक्सर अपने आप से कनेक्शन छूट जाता है, मगर फैमिली वो अटूट बंधन है जो हमें जोड़े रखता है। और इसी तरह आपका और हमारा कनेक्शन बरकरार रखने के लिए हम हर हफ्ते आप पहुंचते हैं आप ही में से किसी एक के घर in our very own Z Family section with Andrea. So let's go and see who is our Z Family this week.
आपकी उम्मीद और आपका इंतजार हम हर हफ्ते करते हैं और इस रिश्ते को प्यार से सजाने की हम हर मुमकिन कोशिश करते हैं। A new week, a new family, and this week we welcome the Patels. Tell us something about yourself.
I came here in 1978 working for my uncle after my graduation in Mumbai and worked with him till 1984. Went into my own business since then and I'm still into my own business.
I came after my marriage in 1980 to Dubai, and then after I was working, I worked for more than 25 years and now I am a homemaker enjoying my life with my family.
I'm basically from an advertising background. So I used to work before, but a couple of years ago I started my own business.
I went to Bombay to study. That's where we met. And I've come back since then. We did our MBA together in Dubai, and I've joined the business and the family. So yeah, keeping us alive still.
Well, I've been a Dubai baby, not born here but brought up here, and started my career as a marketing person, went to an ad agency, and now since the last 2 years I have my own fashion and lifestyle oriented event that I organize.
I was a practicing advocate in Bombay and also doing some kind of investment, and I have been here continuously for the last 6 years by and large.
Tell us, what does family mean to you?
It's big, it's huge, it's fun, it's a test of patience. A lot of it at times you feel, but it's fun overall.
We all stay in a joint family, so it's really fun to interact with everybody, pass time with everybody, do all activities with everybody.
Tell us, what does ZTV mean to you?
Zee TV is good. Zee TV is a fairly varied sort of viewing that it gives me. I watch sports there, and the family probably, the ladies probably watch some soaps there, and it's the business is good. Business news is good.
Zee TV is, I mean, a lot because it gives lot of entertainment. Even if you are not in a good mood, and that Zee TV gives you it.
Well, my memory of Zee goes back, I don't watch a lot of TV, very honestly, so my memory of Zee would just go back to probably being one of the first complete entertainment channels which did come in the market, so hence people saw a lot of it. I saw a lot of it, simply because it was very, it was different.
Zee TV is, I look at it as a total family entertainment because it gives you sports, business, the soap operas which are there, and music.
Zee Family, I belong.
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 Zee Family, we belong. Thank you very much. It was a pleasure talking to all of you. And if you wish to be on Zee TV, all you got to do is subscribe to the Zee Family package or do write in to us at zeefamily@merazeetv.com.
Now time to lighten up your mood with our Fully Fried segment, where the questions are puzzling but the answers are twice as fun. So do you all know what is Hrithik Roshan's pet name?
I don't know.
Dabu.
Puttu or something, yeah.
His name, no idea.
Dabu Digu.
Really, I don't know. Something cuckoo or something like that.
Something like that.
I'm just waiting for my guess.
Dabu Digu, something like that.
No idea about that.
Sorry, I don't know.
Dugu?
It's Dugu.
आपको नाम पूछ के परेशान कर दिया ना हमने? Well, don't you worry. इसका भी solution है हमारे पास. चलिए एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेते हैं so that you can come back all refreshed और हम आपको यहीं पे मिलेंगे. So see you in a short while.